Hello, welcome to Nero-Nara. Today, I'm going to present the game that I created for this hackathon. I didn't just build a game. I created a full universe with its own rules and identity. What's going on in Nara? So Nara is a futuristic city protected by Nova, the AI guardian. But when anomaly arrives, elite agents known as Synchronizers are deployed to investigate and restore balance. But we have a mysterious group called Oni Shadow, which spreads chaos throughout the city. So, the mission. The mission of the player, each mission generates a random anomaly. The player have to observe the scene carefully, choose the correct intervention, use a power if they want, and of course, earn narrow credit. Here we have the different characters. The first one is Kai, is a synchronizer field agent specialized in high risk interventions. So its specific power is to skip observation and go directly to intervention. So high risk, high reward. Lyra is a data analyst connected to Canava's system. She can detect hidden patterns. This is very interesting. This is very powerful because he can reveal a hidden clue before making decisions. And then we have, of course, Nova. Nova's AI Guardian of Neo-Nara monitors the city and alerts synchronizers when anomalies occurs. So this game is also inspired by agile thinking. So like in a sprint, we have limited resources. Here, the narrow credit. So you need to make decisions, take risks, and adapt in expected situation. Sometimes you win more than expected, but sometimes you lose. And that's exactly the challenge. So before jumping to the game, let me quickly show you how I build it with a table. So I structure the game with different tables. So here's the first table is the game sessions. The game session is the core of the gameplay. Then we have the table of the characters, so which you've seen. We have anomalies, so we have scenes here, and the clue and the real reasons of the anomalies. We have table players, and we can track the performance here for each player. And then we have Neo-Nara, it's just presentation. I use AI in three main ways. The first is to generate specific formula. So for the scoring, I use the formula that I was helped to by Omni to create my formulas. So that will be useful for the scoring system. The second is to generate anomaly, scenes, and visual storytelling. So here I create my scene descriptions. No Omni create different scenes. So here we can see the first scene, for example, the anomaly is a frozen crossing scene. We have here another scene. So in total, we have five scenes for five anomalies. And I also used Omni to generate specific message. So here we have Nova. Nova can give you an alert. So I give some instructions to Nova, and Nova just create a specific message with its own personality. So here we can see some information that I create here. There is a specific tone, futuristic, playful, but also sarcastic. Here, there is a tone, various personality here. It's very interesting. Now, let's play. Here we go. It's a reminder about how to play, but let's go. I create my pseudo, okay. Automatically, I receive a mission. So here, I can select a player. So for example, I'm already here, so I can select here, but I can create a new one. You can see here, I can create a new profile. I select directly my character. So here I choose Kai, and here I have NeoCredit, 10 NeoCredit here. And now I'm going to start the mission. I have an alert from Nova. Here we go. So here we have Nova's detecting anomaly. So we have a specific anomaly detected by Nova. So it gave me information about the alerts, and then when I clicked on it, I'm directed to this. So now move to observation. So I have information about Kai. So if I use my power, it costs 3 NeoCredit. I can choose my power here, for example. And here is we have never message. Here we have the scene. So I think this is an attack from Oni Shadow with drones. So I select direct sabotage, but intervention is skipped. So I confirm my decision. You will see here I can intervene now, but I skip with the power of Kai. Now I can intervene here, and I can choose to destroy drone. But for the demo, I show you how we create NeoCredits. So here we have four. So it means this is not the right answer. The right answer is disable the drones. So here we can see the power of Kai. We have plus 8 prints, but plus 10 prints. So this is why we have 25. This is for the demo. So now I confirm my decision. Oh, I received a message from Nara. So it gave me information about the real cause of the anomaly, of course. So it's a sabotage of the Oni shadow. And I earned 25. I can see in the table players that I am the second with 25 credit. In my mission resolve, I resolved one. I didn't choose my preferred character from now, but you can see here the top synchronizers. So now just create a new session with Lyra, for example. So say James, use Lyra. So when I use the power of Lyra, I have a specific clue here appearing. So the anomaly is to train. We can see there is two train here, and the train is not the source of the anomaly. So I need to check the root display. This is the clue. So I suppose that this is root display glitch. And about introversion, I select reset station power, but of course the real correct answer is easily duplicate root signal. Works. Thanks for watching. And as we say in Neo-Nara, don't trust appearances, always stay alert. Bye.